Let's set up your Midjourney so you can start generating high quality cinematic visuals right away. For years, Midjourney was a Discord only tool, but now they've evolved. You can use it directly on their website, so no more fumbling through chat commands unless you still want to. Let's get straight to it. Alright, step 1, let's get you in. Go to midjourney.com. Click sign up or log in if you already have an account. Choose a login method. You can use Google or even Discord. I already have an account, so let's just log in. I am going to start with Google. Great, we're in. Alright, one little disclaimer before we get into it. Midjourney is not free, so let's go to check out your subscriptions that are available to you. Alright, if you're just testing the waters, the basic plan works. If you're making an AI heavy film, go standard or for the pro plan. Okay, I have been on both the basic plan and the standard plan, and now I prefer using the standard plan because the amount of images that I generate consistently over a month is very high. If you just want to test waters to start off, the basic plan is great. Let's head back to the explore page. Okay. If you want to start generating images, you want to start typing in the imagine bar, which is right here. This right here is the imagine bar. Type in your prompt. We'll talk about how to get great prompts in a bit, but for now, let's just say I want to have a cat having tea in a cafe. Once you type in the prompt, you can see your images in the Create tab. Let's go down, and it's generating the image. And here we have it, cat having tea in a cafe. This is a bit wonky. So something is up with the cup here. The cat's not bad. It's a pretty nice cafe. This cat is also adorable. Yeah, I like that one too. And yeah. So you can take the one that you like and start working with it. Alright, there you have it. This is how you set up your Midjourney and create your first image. We are going to start talking about how to tweak the images to get more out of Midjourney. But that's in the next chapter.